Well, I love rainy nights. I love rainy nights. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. You know what makes me feel good? Well, I love a rainy night. It's such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face, taste the rain on my lips. In the moonlight shadows, showers wash all my cares away. I wake up to it.